Hi there, we are back. Let's continue with the upload file form. Your customers or users can attach important documents, files, or images. This form is suitable for contracts, reports, or other customer files. Ratings. This element is simple, just click the button and it's ready to use. The rating range is from 1 to 5. 1 star is if your customers like it a little, 5 stars is if they like it the most. We suggest you use it under some posts, videos, or images. The next form is range. This element is for selecting a value from a range of values in a slider regarding some product or service. When you open the form, you can set steps, minimum range, maximum range, and default. Submit button is about saving your form in your database or to an external API endpoint. You can adjust the color of the button: blue, green, orange, or red. You can label the button, and you can set a send to an API endpoint URL. And the last form is calendar. By clicking the date, your users can arrange an appointment or schedule a holiday. See you in the Multimedia Elements tutorial.